Model, 2019 Peugeot Boxer 2.0 BlueHDi 335130 silver low-loader tail lift needs turbo. Body, silver, Luton, box. Mileage, 247,475. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, so this will run on easy start. Turbo needs replacing as it is seized and not spinning, possibly needs some injectors as well. Engine is good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, air-con, reversing camera, cruise control, parking sensors, sat-nav, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.